Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to create a material, apply it to an object, and customize its color. Previously, we've been just editing our objects, but now let's make it more interesting and add some color to them. So first of all, what is a material in Blender? A material tells Blender how the surface of an object should look like. It controls things like color, roughness, metallic appearances, transparency, and much more. Think of it as a skin in any video game. So let's start adding some color to this cube because currently it's just looking very dull and gray. So first of all, click on your object, make sure it is selected. Then let's go into material properties over here on the right side. Now, as you can see, there is already one material added to your cube, which means that actually there is material on this cube. Otherwise, it would have no color. But if you don't have it, in that case, if you don't have a material already added to your object, just press the new button over here. You might be thinking, hey, this base color over here is white. Why is my cube not white? So the thing is, we are currently not in the right viewport mode. So what we want to do is we want to switch our viewport mode. So there's 4 different options that are mainly being used. One is the wireframe mode, then there's the solid, then there's material preview, and then there's the rendered mode. So we want to be within the material preview mode. You can also hold down Z on your keyboard and switch between these different modes. Now, as you can see, our cube is actually white. So let's click the base color over here and choose any different color. I'm going to go and do blue. Our cube now is blue. Simple as that. Now let's go through a couple more settings over here, which you should adjust to switch the appearance of your color and of your object. One of the most important settings is roughness. When roughness is high, the surface looks more matte. As you can see, it's not reflecting that much light. But if the roughness is closer to 0, the more shiny it gets. So now it's reflecting a lot of light. Kind of looks like a mirror. The other option is metallic, and as you can see over here, currently we are on 0. If we increase this value, the material behaves more like metal. We can also combine it together with roughness to make it into a shiny piece of metal. Keep in mind that metallic material usually looks best when combined with appropriate roughness value, so make sure that you get the look that you're going for by just adjusting these two over here and not overdoing it. You can also add another material over here to a different object with your scene. So let's create a new cube, and if you want to add color to it, just click on it, go to materials, properties, click on new, choose a new base color and do a different color. In this case, now it's red. Each object can have its own unique material, so you don't need to create different objects in different scenes, but you can use the same scene and as many objects as you want and add materials to them. And then if you already have a cube, currently let's say the blue one over here that has material on it, and you want to make some changes to it, you can just click on it and go adjust your settings right away to make a change. Hopefully this video was helpful. Take care. Bye bye.